Ever found yourself staring at an ATM, wondering just how much of your hard-earned cash you can actually pull out using your Patriot Bank Visa card? It's a question that dances in the minds of many, especially when unexpected expenses pop up or when you're planning that long-awaited getaway. The answer, as you might suspect, isn't always a simple number plastered on the front of your card. It's a nuanced figure influenced by a variety of factors, and understanding these intricacies can save you from potential headaches and declined transactions. Think about it. Your Visa card isn't just a piece of plastic, it's a gateway to your funds, and Patriot Bank, like any financial institution, has put certain safeguards and limits in place. These limits aren't arbitrary, they're designed to protect both you and the bank from fraudulent activities and to ensure the smooth operation of their systems. So, let's dive deep and unravel the mystery of your Patriot Bank Visa card withdrawal limits. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that there isn't a universal, one-size-fits-all withdrawal limit for every Patriot Bank Visa card holder. The amount you can withdraw daily or within a specific period can vary significantly based on several key factors. One of the primary determinants is the type of Patriot Bank Visa card you possess. Patriot Bank offers a range of Visa cards, each tailored to different financial needs and lifestyles. A basic debit card linked to a checking account might have a lower withdrawal limit compared to a premium credit card or a specialized business card. For instance, a student debit card might have a daily ATM withdrawal limit of, say, $500, while a high-tier rewards credit card could potentially allow for much larger cash advances, although these often come with higher fees and interest rates. Another significant factor is your account history and relationship with Patriot Bank. Customers who have maintained a long-standing and positive banking history with Patriot Bank might be granted higher withdrawal limits. This is often seen as a reflection of trust and responsible financial behavior. Conversely, newer customers or those with a less established track record might have more conservative limits initially. Furthermore, your account balance plays an obvious yet critical role. You can never withdraw more money than you actually have available in your linked account. Even if your card has a high daily withdrawal limit, if your checking account balance is lower, that's the effective ceiling on your withdrawal. It's always a good practice to keep an eye on your balance, especially before making a significant withdrawal. Beyond these individual factors, Patriot Bank's internal policies and security protocols also influence withdrawal limits. Banks constantly monitor for suspicious activities and may adjust limits periodically based on their risk assessment models. These adjustments are often in place to protect against fraud and unauthorized access to your funds. For example, if there's a sudden spike in ATM withdrawals in a particular region known for scams, Patriot Bank might temporarily lower withdrawal limits as a precautionary measure. Moreover, ATM network limitations can also come into play. While your Patriot Bank Visa card might have a certain daily limit, the specific ATM you're using might have its own transaction limits. These limits are often set by the ATM operator and can be lower than your card's daily limit. This is particularly relevant when using ATMs outside of the Patriot Bank network, where third-party operators have their own rules and fee structures. You might encounter a situation where your card allows a $1,000 daily withdrawal, but the specific ATM you're at only permits withdrawals of $500 per transaction with a maximum of 2 transactions per day. So, how do you actually find out the specific withdrawal limit for your Patriot Bank Visa card? Thankfully, Patriot Bank provides several avenues for you to access this crucial information. The most direct way is to check your account documentation. When you first received your Patriot Bank Visa card, it likely came with a welcome package that outlined the terms and conditions, including the daily withdrawal limits for both ATM transactions and over-the-counter withdrawals at a bank branch. Take a moment to dig out this documentation. It's a treasure trove of information about your card. Another convenient method is to log into your Patriot Bank online banking portal or mobile app. Most banks, including Patriot Bank, provide detailed account information online, and withdrawal limits are usually accessible within your account settings or card details section. The mobile app often offers a quick and easy way to check these limits on the go. If you can't find the information online or in your documentation, don't hesitate to contact Patriot Bank's customer service directly. You can call their dedicated customer support line, and a representative will be able to provide you with your specific withdrawal limits after verifying your identity. Alternatively, you can visit your local Patriot Bank branch and speak to a teller or a customer service agent in person. They can access your account information and give you the most accurate details. It's also worth noting that withdrawal limits can sometimes be temporarily adjusted. For instance, if you're planning a large purchase and need to withdraw a significant amount of cash, you might be able to request a temporary increase in your daily limit. This usually requires contacting Patriot Bank in advance and providing a valid reason for the temporary adjustment. Conversely, if suspicious activity is detected on your account, Patriot Bank might temporarily lower your withdrawal limit as a security measure until the activity can be verified. Furthermore, consider the type of transaction. ATM withdrawals often have different limits than over-the-counter withdrawals at a bank branch. Typically, you can withdraw larger sums of money by visiting a branch and speaking to a teller, as these transactions involve direct interaction and verification. However, even over-the-counter withdrawals might have daily or transaction limits depending on your account type and Patriot Bank's policies. When traveling, especially internationally, it's always a good idea to inform Patriot Bank of your travel plans. This can help prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity due to out-of-state or international transactions. Additionally, be aware that international ATM withdrawals might incur different fees and could be subject to different daily limits. It's wise to inquire about these specific conditions before you travel. Finally, remember that credit card cash advances also have withdrawal limits, and these are often significantly lower than your overall credit limit. Moreover, cash advances typically come with higher interest rates that accrue immediately and may also involve transaction fees. Understanding your Patriot Bank Visa card's withdrawal limit is a fundamental aspect of managing your finances effectively. By being aware of the factors that influence these limits and knowing how to find your specific information, you can avoid unexpected issues and ensure smooth access to your funds when you need them. Whether you're making everyday ATM withdrawals or planning larger cash transactions, having this knowledge empowers you to manage your money with greater confidence and control. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.